I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Make sure location services and the app's permissions are enabled, because without them, the sharing won't work. Open the messaging or map app you plan to use and navigate to the chat or contact you want to share with. Once you've picked the recipient, tap the attachment or location icon to begin. This is the first actionable move. Do this now so the app can fetch your GPS fix and display your current point on the map before you continue. Now select the live or real-time location option. Some apps label it differently, so choose the one that updates automatically. Next, pick how long you want to share. Short bursts for quick meetups or longer durations for ongoing tracking. This controls battery and privacy. Make sure to confirm, and if offered, add a brief message or label so the recipient knows why you're sharing. Once done, the app will stream your position. Keep the app running or background updates enabled for accurate sharing. To finish, manually stop sharing from the chat or location view so you don't continue broadcasting. If the location doesn't appear for your contact, first toggle your GPS and Wi-Fi or cellular data. Next, check the app's location permission and background refresh settings and try again. Also, make sure Battery Saver isn't restricting GPS updates. If problems persist, restart the app and device. This often clears temporary sensor or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.